Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thank you.
Hey guys, if you have a Facebook page or you have lots of traffic in it, then you can earn up to $30 to $50 daily.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
So hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvirvan. So guys, today's video is going to be much more interesting because in this video I will show you how you can monetize your Facebook page and earn a lot of money every day. So guys, before getting started, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon, or you can like this video if you like this. So guys, let's see how to monetize our Facebook page. So first of all, we have to go to our official browser or any browser you have. So you just type in the search bar https://www.facebook.com/creator studio. Then hit enter. You can do it in your computer and smartphone also. So here you can see, if you are doing with your smartphone, then you have to make it desktop site. So let me make it desktop site. So here you can see that's the site loading. That's the Creator Studio. You can also download the application. I also have downloaded the application from here. You can see that's the Creator Studio application. So we will apply for monetization. So first of all, we have to upload videos. We have to get more traffics in our video. Then we'll be eligible for monetization. So guys, if you want to know how to monetize, then you have to watch this video till the end. So here you can see there are too many options in the left side. So you can check your setting, Creator Studio settings, creative tools and Freight Manager, everything. I will describe all this in a next video. So now I will show you how you can apply for page monetization. So here you have to select your page. So from here you can select your page and click on monetization. I hope you can see that's the monetization button. So you just click on it. That's the monetization button. Here you can see that's one. So you have to click on it. So just click, and here you can see that's the monetization applying page. So here you can see if your page is eligible, then you can see from here. So I'm not going to boost my page. So you just select your page which is eligible for monetization. I'm selecting one a page. So here you can see my page is not eligible. That means I need more traffics. So I'm just showing you how you can apply. So if you want to apply, then you have to click on this set up monetization. Click on this setup monetization button. Okay guys, so let's click on it and it will redirect you to the applying section. So here you can see you can apply from here. So first of all, you have to check your eligibility. So I'm doing with this page. So check your eligibility and click on it. Here you can see you have to complete 100%. Complete 100%, then you can apply for it. Okay, so now scroll up and click on this apply now. So click on apply now, and after that if you completed all the requirements successfully, then you can apply for it. You have to click on this apply now, then it will enable your monetization, page monetization in your page. So that's all guys. If you like this video, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel also. So guys, thanks for watching. Please stay tuned with our channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe, and you can like this video. if you like this. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with our channel and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads.